Hey guys, hope all is well. Happy Tuesday. I just want to kind of show you what we're going to be working on today in class. So we're going to be doing this college studying tips scavenger hunt. So it's an opportunity for you guys to do a little bit of your own research. So what that's going to look like, it's in Google Classroom under week 3. So it'll be skills for college scavenger hunt. So this is the assignment here. So the instructions are written down right here. This video that you are watching right now will be embedded right here. In case you are not able to attend class, you can at least see this. So here's the deal. You're going to open the Skills for College Scavenger Hunt Google Doc. That's this Google Doc here. It might show up a little bit differently in yours, but it'll be something you guys can write right into. You're going to pick at least 3 of the study skills for college students topics, and I'll show you what those are in a second. And then you're going to complete the reflection questions for each. All right. So you click on the Google Doc. It opens up. Here we are. All right. So, boom. All right. So first of all, just kind of showing you how this whole thing works. All right. So the instructions say pick at least 3 topics below and answer the provided questions. There are video tutorials for each one. So on general study tips, so there's 5 sections. There's general study tips. Each page has its own section. There's time management, memory improvement techniques, test taking and test preparation, and reading and writing skills. Right. So if I want to watch this little video tutorial on how to do this particular part, I just double click it, and then I can hit play. And then it'll play. All right, guys, so you have chosen. There's a YouTube video that I made. So it's more of me, fun. And then when you're done, just hit close, and then you can answer the questions in this portion. Right? So it does that for each one. The link to the actual article I want you to read for general study tips is right here. So you click that, it opens up. It'll take you right directly to the general study tips article. If you want to go to the master article, which is kind of like the where all this stuff is located, you can click this article here. All right, and this kind of brings you to the very beginning. So it has all those general study tips, time management, memory techniques, and all those right in there. All right, so just a little bit of navigation tips, stuff like that. But take your time with this, guys. The reason we're doing scavenger hunt style stuff is so you guys can have a lot of information that you guys can look through, and you can use that the best way you see fit. So some people might want to focus on time management, which is what I need to focus on a lot. Others may want to focus more on test preparation. Okay, so that's why I want you to pick at least 3. Pick the 3 ones that you want to do the most. All right, if you have any questions, as always, just shoot me or Miss Andrews a message. Take care.